everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be teaching you all how to make a traditional Sri Lankan potato fry. As you can see, all the ingredients have already been prepared. The onions are cut, the tomatoes are cut, and the chilies and garlic. All we need to do now is peel the potatoes and prepare them ready to be fried. We have also organized the seasoning on the side, and you can see the ingredients displayed on the screen. Please bear in mind that after peeling the potatoes, I will place them into some water. However, the water in the bowl is not just any normal water. I have mixed lemon juice into the water. This prevents the potatoes from discoloring. Here I am rinsing the potatoes in the water again and taking them out of the bowl. As you can see, there is no discoloration visible on the potatoes and they still look fresh. Now we have to cut the potatoes and make sure that the size of the potatoes are exactly the same. The kids tend to be huge fans of eating potatoes, but they tend to eat potatoes more when they're cut into small slices. That's why I prepare them this way. Now that the potatoes are sliced, we will be adding turmeric and salt to them and giving them a mix. Then we will leave it aside for a few minutes. This allows the potatoes to really absorb the flavor. The turmeric also helps to remove any bacteria that's left on the surface of the potatoes. While the potatoes marinate in the turmeric and the salt, we will begin by frying the onions. For this, I am using sunflower oil, but you can use any cooking oil. Here I am placing the onions into the oil and allowing them to fry. Now I am adding some turmeric into the onions as they fry. This allows the onions to fry into a really nice golden brown color. Once the onions have fried halfway, you will need to add curry leaves, green chili, and garlic to the onion fry. Once the onions start to turn a golden brown color like this, you need to take them out of the pan and place them on a bowl. If you leave them for longer and allow the color to darken even more, often it can lead to the onions becoming bitter in flavor. So this is the perfect time to take them out and place it into a bowl or plate. Once you have taken the onions out of the frying pan and placed them into a bowl or a plate, please leave it open. This allows the onions to become even crispier in texture. Now, using the same oil used to fry the onions, we will be adding the potatoes. The reason we did not fry the potatoes first is because if we did so, the oil becomes old very quickly, and this reduces the crispy texture of the onions if they were to be fried after. As you can see here, the potatoes are coming out a nice crispy golden color. The reason for this is the adding of the turmeric. If we did not add turmeric to the potatoes, they would come a very dull brown color. That is the magic of using turmeric for potato fry. As we left the onions out, you can see here just how crispy and colorful the onions are. Now we are ready to stir fry both the ingredients together. For this, I am adding sunflower oil once again into a pan and then adding chili flakes. Here I am adding a small amount of turmeric to the mix. The reason that I am keeping the amount very small is because I have already added it to the potatoes and the onions. Now I am adding some pepper to the mix to give it an uplift of flavor and spice. Then we will be adding curry leaves and tomatoes and mixing them together. After stirring for a little while, you have to reduce the flame to a low heat, otherwise the chili will burn. And then you add the potatoes to the mix and give it a stir. After allowing the potatoes to stir with the chili and the tomato mix, we will be adding the onions. After adding the onions to the potatoes, make sure to stir very lightly, as if you stir too fast or too harshly, the onions will break. Also, make sure to have the flame on a low heat, as if you increase the heat, the onions will turn bitter in flavor. Now, depending on your own preference of flavor, you can add some more salt to the potato fry, as I am doing so here. I also added a little bit of lime juice to uplift the flavor. I am giving it a little stir so that all the potatoes and the onions absorb the flavor of the lime and salt. Now it's time to take the potato fry off the stove and get it ready to serve. You can see the lovely golden texture and color of the potatoes and the onions here. This can be served either on its own as a snack, or you can serve it with rice. This can also be added on top of biryani as a topping, or served on its own as mentioned before. Here I am enjoying it with a cup of tea as an evening snack. I hope you guys enjoyed this video on how to make a potato fry. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like and comment. And don't forget to press the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you keep up to date with my videos. Thank you for watching Ceylon Food UK. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram as well. Please join us next time for more recipes.